Winter is finally over. The roads are clear and it's time to bring your ride out of hibernation. Before you fire it up and head out on that first cruise of the season, there are things you should check out first. A car that's been sitting for months can develop issues like low fluids, a weak battery, dry rotted tires, or even rodent damage, depending on where it's stored. So in this video, we're going to walk through a complete checklist for bringing your ride out of winter storage safely so you can hit the road with confidence. The first step happens before you even open the hood. Start with a full walk-around inspection of the vehicle. Look for anything that may have happened while the car was sitting in winter storage. Check for fluid puddles underneath the car, tire damage, or flat spots, sign of dry rot in the tires, or cracked or hardened windshield wipers. If your tires look good, make sure they're inflated to the proper pressure before driving. Catching these issues early can prevent problems once you're back on the road. Next, check inside the car. Vehicles that sit all winter can attract unwanted guests. Look for signs of rodents or pests, like chewed wiring, droppings, or shredded insulation. You should also check for moisture in the carpet or upholstery, mold or mildew buildup, and musty smells inside the cabin. Moisture can develop in storage, especially in garages that aren't climate controlled. Now it's time to pop the hood and inspect the engine bay. Start by checking your fluid levels. You want to inspect and top off things like engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and washer fluid. If you didn't change your oil before winter storage, now's a good time to do it. Also, look at the condition of the oil itself. If it's milky, contaminated, or smells like fuel, it may need to be replaced. Next, check your battery. Even if your battery was connected to a maintainer over the winter, it's still smart to inspect the terminals and check the voltage. Look for corrosion around the terminals and clean them if necessary. While you're under the hood, inspect belts and hoses. Rubber components can dry out or crack while sitting unused for months. Look for cracks, fraying, or soft brittle rubber. Replacing worn components now can prevent breakdowns later. Brakes. Brakes sometimes can stick or feel different after sitting for long periods. Before starting the car, press the brake pedal and make sure it feels firm. Watch for signs like a spongy pedal feel, unusual noises, or binding or sticking brakes. If anything feels off, it's better to investigate before driving. Before heading out, check all of your electrical systems. Test your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, horn, and windshield wipers. Electrical issues sometimes show up after storage, especially if moisture or rodents were involved. Once everything checks out, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Start the engine and let it warm up gradually. As it runs, pay attention for leaks, vibrations, strange noises, and unusual smoke from the exhaust. A little smoke during startup can be normal, but if it continues after the engine warms up, you'll want to investigate it further. Don't jump straight into a long road trip. Instead, take the car for a few short test drives around the neighborhood. Pay attention to how the vehicle feels. Is the steering normal? Do the brakes feel consistent? Are there any vibrations or noises? If something feels off, head back to inspect the vehicle before continuing. It's also a good idea to bring your phone with you and let someone know where you're going, just in case. Some enthusiasts even have a friend follow behind during the first drive of the season, just in case something goes wrong. Cars that sit for months can develop problems that aren't obvious until you start driving them. Things like seals drying out, fuel degrading, or rubber components cracking can all happen during storage. Doing a quick inspection now helps you catch those issues early and avoid being stranded on your first drive of the season. Once everything checks out, it's finally time to enjoy what you've been waiting for all winter. That first warm weather cruise. Taking a few minutes to inspect your classic before driving can make the difference between a smooth start to the season and a frustrating breakdown. So give your car a good once over, warm it up properly, and get back on the road where it belongs.